Buying USDT on MoonPay is simple and can be done directly using a debit or credit card or other payment methods. Here's how to do it. Sign into MoonPay. Open the MoonPay website or app. Log in using your email and password or sign up if you don't have an account yet. Select USDT for purchase. On the MoonPay homepage, search for USDT in the Buy section. Click on Buy USDT to start the process. Choose payment method. Choose your preferred payment method such as a debit or credit card, bank transfer or other supported options. Ensure that the payment method is linked to your MoonPay account. Enter purchase amount. Specify the amount of USDT you wish to buy. MoonPay will show you the equivalent amount of USDT you will receive, factoring in exchange rates and fees. Complete KYC. If you haven't completed the KYC process, you will need to upload a valid ID and a selfie for verification. Confirm the transaction. Review the transaction details, including the amount of USDT and fees. Confirm and process the payment. The USDT will be sent to your wallet.